This is the accounting cab. If you like printing credits, I'm the man. Folks, where are we headed?
We're going to the Superstore, bud.
Right on. Sounds good.
Oh my god, it's the accounting cab.
I'm your host, Jordan. I'm going to drive you to your destination. I'm going to ask you general accounting questions along the way. They'll start off easy and they'll get progressively harder as you go. As long as you know the answer and the questions are correct, you'll win cash all the way to your destination. But here's the catch. If you get these wrong, that's 3 strikes and you are out. Which means I'm going to pull over on the spot, right where we are, and you lose everything. Are you willing to play?
Heck yeah.
First question, worth 20 printing credits.
Wow.
What is a temporary account?
The revenue and expense account that relate to a particular accounting period that are closed at the end of the period.
That's correct. For not 10, but 20 whole credits.
Oh my god.
Wowzers.
Alright guys, moving on to your next question with 25 blocks to go. Gross margin is a measure of a business success. What is the formula to calculate net sales?
Isn't it gross profit minus cost of goods sold?
Oh, definitely not. Heck no. This is, what is it? Sales revenue subtract
Sales returns and allowances.
and discounts. Yeah, final answer.
Emily, it's a good thing you have Nathan and Evan because you are correct for another 20 points. Moving to your third question for 20 credits. When recording transportation expenses, what is the difference between FOB shipping point and FOB destination?
The legal
Never mind.
title passes when the inventory leaves the place of business because the buyer owns or pays for it. I don't know, something like that.
That sounds
FOB
pretty close.
shipping point is like when the legal title passes in transit, whereas destination is it
Yeah,
transfers when it gets there.
at the destination.
That is correct for another 20 credits.
Yay!
Woo!
Right on, guys. With 20 blocks to go, time for the 30-point questions. Now, your fourth question is what is the difference between service provider and a merchandiser?
Inventory on the balance sheet.
Yeah, it's someone that sells stuff, whereas like physical things, tangible items. Someone that sells tangible items, whereas sales service provider is someone that like provides services, so like an accountant or a lawyer or a dentist, stuff
Or
like that.
Landscaping company.
Yeah, landscaping company.
Got it. Final answer.
That is correct again. You're killing it. And now for your next 30 credit question with 15 blocks to go. Understanding how the accounting system works, what are the 3 stages of data processing?
Inputs, processing,
And
And outputs, yeah.
Got it.
In that order. Final answer.
Holy, that's correct. You guys are on fire. I'm moving you up to the 40-point questions now. With 10 blocks to go, for your 6th question, what is a subsidiary ledger?
This one, I studied it. A subsidiary ledger is a list of accounts that make up the general ledger. It provides detailed lists of accounts of suppliers and customers.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Yeah.
I believe that's what it is. Final answer.
That is correct. And now it's time to move up to the 50 credit questions. With only 5 blocks to go, here's your question. Known as the origin of transaction, list 3 documents that could be classified in a source document.
A bank deposit slip.
A purchase invoice.
What's the other one again?
Bank check? Bank check.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Sadly, you guys are all correct.
Awesome.
You're a trickster.
Oh yeah, with one block to go, here's your last question. There are two main types of adjusting entries. What are they, and what 5 categories can they be divided up into?
Well, the two main types that I can think of is deferral, when the cash is received, and accrual, when the work is done, but the cash hasn't been received yet. But I don't know the categories. Do you?
I believe there's 5 of them. Prepaid expenses,
Yeah.
amortization, accrued expenses, accrued revenues,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the
That
one.
sounds right.
and unearned revenues.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Well, we're at your destination with 190 credits in the bank. That answer is correct. Congratulations, guys. You have successfully completed the accounting cab game show. I have one more chance for you guys to win more printing credits. You have all the chance to double your credits earned by playing the all or nothing bonus question video recording. Get the answer and double your credits. Get it wrong and you walk away with nothing. Are you up for it?
Hit me with it, buddy.
Right on. Alright guys, here it is.
How many NBCC shirts does Lydia own?
I think Lydia owns 60 t-shirts. She actually told me.
I don't know.
Man.
All I know is she looks really good in those shirts.
I still think it's 60 though, but I do agree.
60 shirts.
Well, that's wrong, guys. Also, that's a little creepy. So, I'm gonna ask you to get out.
Oh, jumping Jupiters, Jordan. Oh,
We're not going to have enough printing credits to print Jim's assignment. No!
God, my life is ruined.
Alright guys, where are we headed?
We're heading to NBCC, going to write an accounting test.
Right on. I'm your host Jordan. I'm going to drive you to your destination. I'm going to ask you general accounting questions along the way. They'll start off easy and they'll get progressively harder as you go. As long as you know the answer and the questions are correct, you'll win cash all the way to your destination. But here's the catch. If you get these wrong, that's 3 strikes and you are out. Which means I'm going to pull over on the spot, right where we are, and you lose everything.
Oh my god, man, I can't believe we're in the cash cab.
Do you guys want to play?
Yeah, let's do this.
Are we all ready for our first question?
We sure are.
Okay guys, here's your first question. Good luck. When recording an increase to your asset account on the balance sheet, which side does the amount fall on?
It has to be on the left because the asset's normal balance is a debit. Right?
Right.
Right. Our final answer? Left.
That's correct. You guys win a whole 20 printing credits.
Woohoo!
Idiot! Are you guys ready for your second question?
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, here it goes. The accountant preparing the unadjusted trial balance obtains the accountant balance from where? Journal, source documents, ledger, or financial documents?
I mean, it's not a journal because in accounting, bookkeeping, a journal is a record of financial transactions by order of date.
Okay. And it's not a source document because the original record containing the details to a transaction entered in an accounting system is a record.
Well, it has to be a ledger because a journal ledger account is used to sort and store balance sheets and income statement transactions.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, that's our final answer. Ledger.
Alright, you're on a roll. Time for question 3. What are the components of the debt ratio equation?
I know this one. I studied it. It's current assets over current liabilities.
Now you say that, I think I remember it too.
Final answer. Current asset over current liabilities.
That's incorrect. The answer is total liabilities over total assets. It gives the proportion of a company's assets that it has financed with debt. You guys now have one strike. Alright guys, next question. What is the definition of cost principle of measurement?
It's for recording, isn't it? It was when it tells accountants when to record revenue and the amount of revenue to record.
It's good to me.
Final answer.
Boo-hoo. That's incorrect. That assets and services are recorded at their purchase cost and that the accounting record of the asset continues to be based on the cost rather than the current market value. Alright, one more question wrong, you're out. Alright guys, name 2 reasons why a Canadian company reporting under IFRS would choose to follow a traditional approach rather than the reversed order of liquidity.
That's when a traditional company wants to maintain tradition, right?
Yeah, and I don't know, maybe because it's easier?
Sure.
Okay.
Final answer.
That's actually incorrect. One of your answers was right, but it is more familiar to Canadian users and it may cost less as computer systems do not have to be upgraded. Wrong! Get out! You added in a lot of right-ons, didn't you? You know I like
Right-on.
It's his favorite word.
Yeah.
Letters. Do you concur with me?
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Yes, I concur.
Main types of adjusting entries. Alright, don't get this one with my head jammed in here. You guys are in the accounting cab. A taxi, oh my god. You guys ready for your first question?
Yeah.
I'm pulling over. Well, we're at your destination with... How many credits are in there? Like, it's just
We have
says...
another.
Wow. What a nice day.